All right, guys, we're back in our packaging and display area of the booth, and Chris is going to tell us a little bit about what's going on in this area.
All right, thanks, Nicole. How's everyone doing? Yeah, we're really excited this year at JCK to be offering all of our best-selling and new packaging display items. Some of the features that you can see here in our booth included our Clean Carats, which is all customizable jewelry cleaning supplies. We have some wonderful new modular displays that are all mix and match. These can also be custom imprinted. We have our best-selling packages and displays that you see behind me. We're also really excited to talk to folks about our custom program, which is called Case by Case. So if you don't see what you like on the shelves, we can certainly create something custom for you. So, and last but not least, we have all of our watch straps and accessories. So come out and see us. We're happy to help you out.
All right, thanks, Chris.
You're welcome.